If you've ever tried to convert a video, trim audio, or batch process media files, FFmpeg is the tool you need, and today I'll show you exactly how to get it running on Windows 10 in under 5 minutes. Step 1. Check if already installed. Before we download anything, let's check whether FFmpeg is already on your system. Press the Windows key, type cmd, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the terminal, type FFmpeg and hit Enter. If you see a Not Recognized error, great, that means we're starting fresh. If you already see version info, you're all set and can stop here. Step 2. Download FFmpeg. Open your browser and go to ffmpeg.org. Click the big download button in the navigation. On the download page, scroll until you see the operating system icons. Click on the Windows logo. You'll be taken to a list of build providers. Click on Windows builds from gyan.dev. This is the most reliable source for Windows users. On that page, scroll down to the Release Builds section and click the second download link. This is the full build that includes all the tools we need. On-screen Q, circle or zoom in on the exact download link. Mention the file will be around 100 to 150 megabytes. Step 3. Extract and organize. Once it finishes downloading, head to your Downloads folder. You'll see a .zip file with a long name, that's the one. Right-click it and choose Extract All. Windows will extract it to the same folder, that's fine for now. Now move the extracted folder somewhere permanent. I recommend C:\FFmpeg or your Documents folder. The key is, pick a place you won't accidentally delete it from later. While you're at it, rename the folder to something short, like FFmpeg. This just makes the next step cleaner. Step 4. Add to System Path. Open your FFmpeg folder, then open the subfolder named bin. This is where the actual executables live. Click the address bar at the top of File Explorer. The full folder path will appear. Copy it. It'll look something like C:\FFmpeg\bin. Now press the Windows key and search for environment variables. Click Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window that opens, click Environment Variables at the bottom. In the System Variables section, scroll down and find Path. Select it, then click Edit. Click New, paste the bin path you copied, then press Enter. Click OK on each window to close and save. Step 5. Verify the installation. Almost done. Open a new command prompt window as administrator. It has to be a fresh one to pick up the path changes we just made. Type FFmpeg and press Enter. This time, instead of an error, you should see FFmpeg's version number and build information printed in the terminal. That's it. FFmpeg is installed and ready to use. Now that it's set up, you can use FFmpeg from any folder on your machine. No more hunting for the executable. In the next video, I'll walk through some of the most useful FFmpeg commands to get you started. If this helped, a like and subscribe goes a long way. Drop a comment if you ran into any issues. I'll reply. See you in the next one.